Welcome to another video. Today we are diving into the warm and inviting world of Southern decor. Southern decor is all about charm, hospitality, and a touch of nostalgia. Think comfortable, classic, and timeless. There is a love of natural materials like wood and stone. Incorporating these into furniture accent creates a warm, earthy feel. Soft muted tones are common, like warm yellow, blues, and greens. Neutrals play a big role too. Creating a backdrop of other elements to shine. Textures are crucial. You will often find a mix of cotton, linen, and even some floral patterns. It's about creating a comfortable and lived-in atmosphere. Rocking chairs are a southern staple. They embody that slower pace of life. Also, don't forget about large, welcoming sofas, perfect for family gathering. Gallery walls featuring family photos are popular. Southern decor can vary from the coastal brazeness of the low country to the rustic charm of the region. It's about embracing the local culture. Start with small touches like incorporating wooden accents or adding a rocking chair to your porch. And don't forget to embrace that sense of hospitality in your design choices. My player, remember, it's all about creating a base that feels like a warm hug from the south. Thanks for watching.